Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, Simple Beauty Secrets. Today's video is a special one. In it, we have shown you some of the day-to-day beauty hacks. These beauty hacks are quick and easy and does the job really well. If you want to see home remedies, check out our home remedies channel, My Simple Remedies. The link is in the description. Emma and Mia are having a great time chatting together and having fun. Mia asked Emma to take her photo. But what's wrong? Why is Mia looking so worried? She hands over Mia's phone to her to see her picture. Oh no, blackheads on her nose. Poor Mia, she's so sad. Emma consoles her friend and tells her not to worry, as she is going to fix this. She takes out a peel of mask from her bag, and it can be any peel of mask, and mix it together with charcoal powder. Then she applies this black mask on Mia's nose with a brush. I wonder how it's going to work. After some time, when it dries, Emma peels the mask off of Mia's nose. Wow, no blackheads. Mia is doing her makeup, while Emma is busy on the phone. Oh no, her beauty blender is all worn off. Poor girl, Mia is so worried now. But Emma notices her friend and comes to her rescue. She is telling Mia not to worry, as she has a quick fix for her. What? Is it a balloon? What is she going to do with a balloon? There are no kids here, so who is she blowing it for? Oh, clever girl. She is going to use it as a beauty blender. What a super idea if you don't have a beauty blender. Mia and Emma are very old friends. They're chatting together, but suddenly Emma starts itching her head. What's wrong with her? As Mia gets busy on the phone, Emma starts to scratch her head so bad. Is that dandruff? It's a lot of dandruff. Mia is definitely cross with her. Emma is getting embarrassed, but Mia tells her not to worry. It looks like as she has the solution for Emma. She is adding water to a spray bottle. Now she is adding apple cider vinegar to it. She shakes the bottle so everything mixes up nicely. Emma becomes so happy when Mia hands over the bottle to her. She sprays it on her hair and scalp. Voila! She is so happy. It looks like her dandruff is gone now. What a great quick fix. Do this 2 to 3 times a week and say bye-bye to dandruff. Mia visits Emma, and they both greet each other with hugging. But why is Emma so surprised? Oh no, it's Mia's lipstick. I think Mia is not able to take it off. Emma tells her not to worry and pulls out a wipe and cleans Mia's lips. She is putting sugar on half a lemon and hands it over to Mia. Now Mia is scrubbing her lips for a couple of minutes to reveal beautiful pink lips, and the lipstick is removed easily. Emma is feeling so proud of herself. And Mia kisses Emma on her cheek. These were a few of the amazing beauty hacks. If you like our video, press the like button and the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe, and please share this video with friends. I'll see you in another video. Till then, keep watching. Bye!